This recipe is with drumstick leaves and fresh ginger, organic ginger, and curry leaves recipe it is. And for this, I have taken a pan and added 3 to 4 spoons of peanut oil. And here the ginger should be peeled off. The freshness of ginger and organic and fine quality of ginger will give you a very great taste. So try to take all organic or fresh vegetables here. And moringa leaves are 1 cup. I have taken drumstick leaves. Those are also very fresh. You can see in the video. And also curry leaves I have taken and added 1 spoon of mustard seeds and 1 spoon of fenugreek seeds, half spoon of turmeric, one half spoon of chili powder because ginger itself is spicy already, and 1 spoon of salt and little tamarind. And then we need to salt it properly for 4 to 5 minutes. Then you need to take here you'll be a little alert because this is the main taste elevator of the recipe, this powder, and also it is very nutritious. Roasted sesame seeds, peanuts, and roasted 5 to 6 red chilies and 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and also roasted urad dal and also roasted chana dal. All these need to be sorted on separate pan or in air fryer to reduce your time, and they need to be powdered. That powder along while grinding into a powder, you need to add 1 spoon of ajwain or juvain, vamu we say in Telugu. That powder is a combination. See here in the recipe you can find that powder at last. Before putting off the stove, I added 4 to 5 spoons. All these needed to be grinded into a powder. This is that powder, urad dal and combination powder. Here you need to understand each and every point very carefully. See here the taste wise it is extraordinary. Those who really love ginger, they will enjoy this recipe, and it is very good for health and all. I will tell you the importance of each and every ingredient which we used in this recipe. First of all, ginger. Ginger is highly helpful to reduce DNA damage due to oxidative stress. If DNA damage is prevented, it will highly help to increase your lifespan, at the same time to prevent respiratory problems like asthma and breathlessness. So ginger is highly essential here. And ginger is rich with nitrates, which is converted into nitrous oxide in our body, and this is helpful to elaborate the blood vessels supplying to the heart. That means if the heart needs blood circulation, those blood vessels, they will get narrowed due to atherosclerosis or any obstructive things. For that reason, if you take ginger immediately, so immediately that as soon as you take it and bite it, and that ginger will give you that result, that blood vessels will be elaborated, so that that block is there also, the blood will start flowing properly. So this is very essential to prevent cardiac arrest or cardiac stroke. So ginger is the main ingredient that we need to take in any of form per day, like in ginger tea. I do regularly say this with ginger pickles, and also ginger this sort of recipes, ginger powder. And here next thing is the ingredient moringa or drumstick leaves are rich with calcium. Highest calcium of leafy vegetables present in drumstick, you know very well. And they are rich with folic acid, iron, and zinc. At the same time, moringa is highly beneficial to provide insulin to prevent insulin resistance. What is insulin sensitivity or insulin resistance? Here, as soon as we take the food is converted into glucose, and that glucose and converted into glycogen. See, if the glucose level increases in the blood level, that is immediately insulin is released by the pancreas. And more the food we take, sugars, the insulin stops providing more insulin. That resistance it will get, so it is not providing extra insulin. So that problem can be rectified by taking moringa leaves. So how nice it is that insulin resistance, if it is decreased, blood glucose level decreases, and also it is highly helpful for type 1 and type 2 diabetes also. This moringa leaves are such a precious leaves, and they highly prevent anti-cancers. These are cancer, sorry, highly prevents cancer, and it has with rich anti-cancerous properties, these moringa leaves. At the same time, moringa And this curry leaves also anti-hyperglycemic property rich with. At the same time, it is very good for our hair and skin. So these things precious things. Why? Because they are rich with antioxidants. Antioxidant rich foods always prevent DNA damage, and this DNA damage is if it is prevented, lifespan of the human being increases. Thus, for every problem, DNA damage should be prevented. See, in the case of Hashimoto's diseases, like in thyroid, that is a natural immune disorder where the DNA damage gets frequently. At this time, the immunity can be built up by these sort of foods and herbs which we are taking regularly. And here I have used the proteinaceous powders like peanut powder, which is rich in magnesium, highly helpful for maintaining thyroid by making inactive thyroxine to T3, and also for releasing TSH. At the same time, magnesium is highly beneficial for providing electrical conductivity in the heart through different chambers. And magnesium is the main component, main electrolyte, which is very, very essential for our regular heart motivation and heart movements and also heartbeat. So it is so good. That is highly available in our peanut oil and also peanut powder. And at the same time, sesame seed powder I have used in that powder, where the sesame seeds are highly which rich with methonic acid and also rich with iron also. This methonic acid highly prevents DNA damage. At the same time, these mustard seeds are rich with ALA, alpha linoleic acid. They protect the heart. And fenugreek seeds also rich with omega fatty acids and all for all the female menstrual disorders. Most of the time, this is a great boon for females for using more and more fenugreek powder in the recipes. At the same time, you know very well, turmeric is also highly beneficial and useful to prevent DNA damage if that is the first food ingredient because of curcumin present in the turmeric, and it is very rich with antimicrobial properties. Likewise, and we used powdered, roasted urad dal and chana dal. Chana dal is very good proteinaceous food with low glycemic index, and urad dal is highly proteinaceous food, you know very well. So red chili is rich with capsaicin, a chemical which will prevent this. It is acts as a blood thinner too, and it is a great remedy for anti hyperglycemic properties. So capsaicin is rich with potassium. Potassium always removes excess sodium from the body, and also potassium highly helps for the regular heartbeat in the conditions like arrhythmia and also atrial fibrillation. The heartbeat always goes ups and down like this so irregular heartbeat that can be prevented by capsaicin.